In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find phone contacts on Instagram. So here's what you need to do. So once you open your Instagram, just go ahead and tap on your profile and tap on your followers. So in here, you will see a lot of suggestions. But when you scroll it down, just tap on See All Suggestions. In here, select Connect Contact. So it says here that by allowing access, your contacts will be periodically synced and stored securely. We'll use your contacts to help you find people to follow and interact with people you already follow. Make recommendations for things you care about and offer a better service. So just go ahead and click the Allow Access. And then click on Allow again. It says here Contact Connected. So when you try to open the suggestions, you will now see here all the contacts or the Instagram users that is connected to your contact. So you can follow them when you see them here. And that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, and see you on my next video.